I will be presenting to you another favorite, the steak, but with African spices. First, you have your steak laid out, and now we put together the ingredients. We have the herbs, the fresh spices, and the dry ones. So we have celery, scallion. This, everybody knows this. Habanero peppers. We have to have this. A little bit of onion. I love to mix both onions. Ginger is already blended. Garlic. Let me reach out and get a little bit of garlic. Leeks, just a little bit, because we want the steak to really come out in its own nature. Basil. The dry ingredients I'm going to put later on. So I will blend all these fresh ingredients and then I'll start adding the dry ingredients. So stay tuned. I'll turn around here because my blender is right here. I put a little bit of vegetable stock. That's my little secret. You can put water. You don't have to put the stock. Voila! So it's all blended. I have it ready for you here. See that? And I add a little bit of oil. My dry ingredients, white pepper. The bouillon, crushed black pepper and white pepper mixed. You can put as much as you want based on your taste, but I put just a little bit. Half a teaspoon is good. Remember Maggi? Your magic sauce. Always have it. Now, blend it. Let me taste it because it has to be just right. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting, ooh. So, here we go. Put it over your meat. Leave it for 2 hours. Then you put in the oven at 450. After 10 minutes, bring the temperature down to 400. So let's go over to the oven. I have some already for you. See that? I always love to have extra sauce. For those who want it really hot, there's always extra sauce. I know here in America you want to use barbecue sauce. We don't use barbecue sauce. We use all our herb sauces. And it's so tasty. So there you go. It could be served with plantains, a little bit of plantains, a little bit of vegetables, and I'm going to make some sauteed vegetables you could add to all this. potatoes, sweet potato fries. So stay tuned and see me make the sauteed vegetables. The ingredients are jumping out of the steak. Would you want to try some?